training was very well organized. There were plenty of vehicles to get a hands-on experience. Trainers were great with a lot of experience under their belt, and overall I'm very happy with it.
It's an amazing product, I have to tell you. I was really surprised coming in with a 3M background, and it's extremely forgiving. It's a high quality film, and I would absolutely put it on any of my image vehicles or recommend it to my customers.
How would you rate the training class? Would you recommend it to other people out there?
Absolutely. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's very hands-on. You know, a lot of technicians, instructors, you know.
What did you think of the nanofusion product?
Really impressed with it, really impressed with the quality, the clarity of it, how well it stretches around the car, so look forward to using this product.
It's a no-brainer, really. I mean, I'm looking at the cars that we're working on. The film itself is thin. It's optically clear from 2 feet away from where we're standing now, unless I really go down to it. And it's an easy sell to show a customer where I'm like, hey, stand here, show me what the film is.
If you have a problem, pull it back off. No marks, no problems. Re-wet it down, it lays back down. You can stretch it pretty easy. I'm happy with it.
With this material, it seems like you can don't have to worry about it too much, and it doesn't scratch as easy as other materials. But time is money. Time is money.
The coating is very slick, so you can get away with using less water. That's a pretty cool thing. I think it'll help with the stain resistance too.
This product I really like. It's very, very forgiving.
It's going to be a big moneymaker for our shop, and you know it's where you could even train other people that have the same skills that you guys taught us here.
How do you think of the nanofusion training class?
It's effective. You got a lot of hands-on training. That's the best part of it, and a lot of good food. And then, yeah, it's great. I like that everything's hands-on.
It was unbelievable.
I learned a lot.
Time is money. Time is money.